Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to review Promo Republic. So I actually got the appsumo deal on Promo Republic on Promo Republic on appsumo. So my name is Kuda. I am an online entrepreneur from kudaonline.com. So in this video I'm just going to cover some of the features that this software has and which I'm actually loving so far. I've used a number of softwares like this, but I find this one unique and with some of the things that I really love. So I'm just gonna go through some of them. I promise you that I'm not gonna go everything, but I'm just gonna go some of the features. So the first thing that you want to do is log in your account, which I've actually done, and here you can actually add pages and groups that you need to add. So if you click on where it says calendar right on the corner right there, okay, where it says calendar, you will be able to see. One thing I love about this is it gives you suggestions. Okay, so the suggestion number one is on Monday at a given time you need to post an engaging post, okay, and on Tuesday you need to post a blog post. On Wednesday you need to post an educational post. On Thursday you need to post an promotional post, and then on Saturday you need to post a motivational post. Okay, so with the other tools that I've been using, I was actually having I just didn't know what to post. I would just post randomly, but this actually gives you an idea of what you should be posting about. So right now I'm actually on the weekly view, and I can actually click on the monthly view, and I love the interface as well. It has a very user-friendly interface as well. So here I've actually clicked on the monthly interface so that I can actually see the suggestions of what I should be posting throughout the month, and I can actually schedule my post. So as this is waiting to load, let me just head over to post ideas. Okay, so post ideas is, you find it right here. This is where you find post ideas. I think they have to the colors here really don't blend very well. We're different. Okay, if I move my mouse over, maybe it's actually different. So if I go on the post ideas, this is actually the post ideas, as you can see. So they have like sort of ideas of what you should be posting. Okay, so the first thing here is there is upcoming events, recommendation for you, articles. If you don't have articles to post, like the blog post on the suggestions, the quotes, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and you can actually click for more right there. So if I click on there are different categories here. So there's marketing, there's medical, and then let me go for marketing. I'm actually a marketing person, so I'm just going to select marketing right here. So as you can see, I've actually been given some of the suggestions. As you can see, these are images, and you don't have to do anything. It's actually done. Okay, so I love this one which says January challenge, so I'm just going to click on it. Once I click on it, it's going to open up in the editor mode. Okay, it should go into the editor mode, I guess. So this is actually the post, and then I can actually select the page that I need to post, and then I can actually edit if I want to. So I'm actually going to go into the editor. Okay, so I didn't write anything right here. Okay, I didn't write anything. Everything was actually done for me. Okay, so as you can see, this is like an engaging post because it's actually asking people what to do. Exercise 2 minutes a day, avoid sugar for the next 30 days. Okay, so it's actually giving people an option. So I'm actually in the internet marketing space. I'm going to change this, find ways to add another income stream. Okay, I'm just gonna edit that. Okay, so as you can see, it's a bit flexible, and then here I'd say stick to what I am doing. So this is actually one of the ways. Which one would you choose? Let me just go there and say let me say left or right. Okay, let me just increase this. Okay, which one would you choose, left or right? So as you can see that I've actually come up with this post without me thinking a lot, and this is actually the edit. I'm just going to come back again and show you how the editor works, and then I'm just going to click on use. Okay, so if I'm going to click on use, that means I've actually edited this post, and then I'm just going to click on use, and then it's going to be saving my design. Once my design has been saved, I can actually now choose to actually, if I need to write something there, or I would say hash, let me say hash January challenge, and then I'm going to pick up another profile, and then I'm just going to select those three because they actually go along those niche. Okay, so here I can choose to schedule so that it goes in the future. Like if you come here, it can actually go somewhere here or somewhere there. Okay, so where was I? Okay, I've opened a lot of pages right here. Okay, so there I am. I'm actually going to make this post now. If I need to download, I can simply click on download right there, and then I can click on publish. Okay, or I can actually schedule if I want to. Okay, now once I click on publish, you can actually also post on Instagram, and then I'm gonna go head over to my Facebook. This is actually my Facebook, which is, let me just refresh that page and see the new post that has been made. Okay, so okay, my internet is a bit slow today. So as you can see, I wish I could start singing when my internet starts to go slow like this. So okay, where is this? I'm not sure if there's another better tool than this one, but I'm finding this one really good. I have some that I've been using. So as you can see that the post has been made, and Ash January challenge, and which route would you take? Okay, so that's pretty cool, that's pretty cool. So if I need to so remember we've used the suggestions, so there's like a lot of suggestions here. So I can actually go on articles. Okay, if I need to post an article, if I don't know anything, I need to share an article so that I can keep my clients engaged. So as you can see here, there is 30,000 history, there is 8 biggest beauty trends. This is just to keep your social media engaged, which is really cool. And if I'm gonna go for quotes, if I'm gonna go for LinkedIn, upcoming events, the secret, we have faith, and it should load some images right there. I'm not sure why it's not loading some images. It must be my internet. So if I really want to come up with my own idea of an image, and I don't want to use the recommendation that they have, but the recommendation they make a bit life easy. So as you can see, the designs are already made, and too bad my internet is not loading the other images, but there should be images. And so as you can see, that's a nice design which is pre-made, and look at that. Okay, everything is pre-made, and you can actually just add to them. Okay, so if I need to start afresh, I can click on create, and then I need to create a post for okay, let me just post a joke right here on one of my pages. Okay, so I'm just going to click on create. So it's going to open up a fresh page. Okay, it's going to open up a fresh page. It's going to open up a fresh page. If I need, there's also suggestions right here, but I need to create something from start. Okay, from scratch. Okay, so I'm gonna put laughter. Okay, I'm gonna put a keyword here that says laughter, so that I can actually search an image with laughter, because the page that I'm actually gonna share is about jokes. Yeah, it's a page for jokes that I'm actually managing. So yeah, So now, as you can see, that there is quite a lot of pictures that I've actually come up with laughter and all, and these are images that you can use for free. So I'm just going to pick up this one, which is and then it's just a matter of just single click, and then it pops up right here. Okay, let me just wait for the image to load. So there's actually people that are actually laughing, which is what I really want. And then I need to add an object. Okay, I need to add an object. So the object that I need to add a shape. Okay, you can add as many shapes as you want, and then I need to use one that is a cross. Okay, so I want to put my text right there. Okay, so I want to make this I can change the opacity. Okay, and then just to make it a bit lighter. Okay, but I need to make this one black, a little bit black. Okay, let me just change, let me see. Okay, I can make it that color. That looks much better on what I need to write. So now I'm actually back. Let me see if I need to add text, and then I can click on text, and then I can just paste on and then try and, so basically never mind about what that means. Okay, it's actually one of our languages, but it's a joke that I've actually added here. So I'm just going to add this color. Okay, so basically I'm asking a question. Okay, I'm asking a question so people can actually engage with okay, let me just reduce the font here. Okay, let me just okay, the spacing is fine. Let me just, okay, I just want everything to be on the one line. Yeah, something like this. Okay, okay, let me just leave it like that. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna add my website. Okay, now I'm just gonna find a place to, I'm going to reduce this. I'm just gonna find a place to, okay, welcome to puppy. Napkin plus chicken. Okay, so basically I'm actually asking a question whereby people can actually engage with the person that I've actually asked, and then I can click on use. Okay, so as you can see that I've actually used the same software to come up with an image and a quote, and without actually, and then I can select the page that I need to and then to post to, and then I can say tell us the truth. Tell us the truth. Okay, and then I'll just put a hash there, and then I would schedule this, or I can actually post now, of which I need to post now. Okay, so if I'm gonna go on view, okay, it's been successfully posted. So if I can just click on there to see what I've actually posted, as you can see that it's actually posted. Let me just click on here and then click on view post. Okay, so this has gone already to Facebook. So as you can see, it's actually posted on Facebook, and it's saying just now, and there's not a lot of people have actually seen this. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna share this. Okay, I normally do share so that okay, let me see. So the whole idea about, okay, let me just explain about sharing and the question that I've actually done, and get back to the purpose of what I'm actually doing here. So I wanted to show you the monthly view. So as you can see that it's actually giving some spaces and some times and some suggestions where I should be posting, and again I can see the statistics if I need to. Okay, like the post that I've actually made, as you can see, this one reached 665 people. This is organic reach, everything is organic. Okay, and quite a lot of things that it actually does, and then I can actually repost if I need to. okay, and I can actually reschedule this. So basically that's all about it. And if you have got anything that you may need to share with me, please just leave a comment below this video. And if there are any other tools out there, I would be more than happy to know about them. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. That's Kuda. Bye for now.